Today for the Bitcoin price, look at this guys. The Bitcoin price history is exactly repeating as I predicted in this viral video here from 4 days ago, where I was giving you my biggest Bitcoin warning ever. This one got 64,000 views, and what I was telling you back then is that I am expecting a big liquidation candle, a big red candle of Bitcoin, a rejection at the previous all-time high at this yellow line, exactly as we got it 4 years ago. And the question right now is, of course, Chris, how low can we go? Is the Bitcoin retracement going to go even lower to my specific bearish price target right here? Because as I said earlier, this Bitcoin pump might be the last one before a bloody correction here, and we are breaking this parabolic curve. And as you can see, this was the last pump and we are breaking the parabolic curve now. I will be going here into the charts and show you exactly where I am going to put in my next trade on Bitcoin right now. I will be showing you all my trades, my trade on Bybit, my other trade over on Phemex. I will be showing you exactly where I took profits, where I am going to take profits, and where I'm going to open my next long position on Bitcoin. And if you also want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility on Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and so on, and you're an experienced trader, go to the pinned comment down below. You can get $1,290 free bonus, and this is for limited time. You will find this in our pinned comment here. If you click one of these two links, you can get a $1,290 bonus completely for free for your next trade. So make sure, if you're an experienced trader, that you go down to the pinned comment and you take advantage of this big bonus here. And also guys, most of our videos are now getting to 50,000 and more views. The last viral video here, 64,000 views in this biggest Bitcoin warning. And this is because of you. Thank you so much for engaging with our videos, for making noise for the algorithm, for smashing up the like button here to new all-time highs, for pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell, and also here, this is important, pressing on this bell here to get notified when I am releasing the next time-sensitive video. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And as you can see, Bitcoin was breaking down and is breaking down here after we hit my price target of $19,400, actually a price target where I was taking profits at. As you can see here, exactly at $19,400, I was taking profits over on Bybit and on my Phemex trade. And the question remains, is this already the end, or is Bitcoin going to continue actually lower? I want to be talking about that. I want to be dropping on you all my price targets here for Bitcoin, my expectations right now in the immediate short term. Because as you remember, I was posting here on the 17th of November, 10 days ago, that this Bitcoin pump might be the last one before a bloody correction, before we are actually breaking this parabolic curve towards the downside. And as you can see, we broke it towards the downside. So let's get here straight into the content, because as you remember, I was showing you this specific chart here just 4 or 5 days ago, actually, in this viral video here with 64,000 views. And what I was saying over there is that I am expecting to for the Bitcoin price to repeat the history, to act exactly like in the last cycle. And the reason for that being is that I said that among these price target of $19,400 to $19,800, we will have the retail FOMO in. We will have the vast amount of people being in a profit. That is fine for Bitcoin for the long run, but in the short term, we have to shake out these weak hands. And I was telling you, I am expecting a significant retracement here at these levels, and just as we had it exactly 4 years ago. And you can see this is exactly what happened. And you know what, guys, before I continue and I show you my exact price targets, my expectations, my trades, and everything I am expecting for Bitcoin right now, I want to show you this little clip here from this viral video here from 4 days ago. Look at this. The warning I want to put out there to everyone in Bitcoin right now is maybe the biggest warning I ever had here on this channel. And right now you can see here, these orange horizontal lines, they are the previous all-time high. And when Bitcoin approaches the old all-time high, you know, this was in the past the moment where the retail money FOMO'd in, where now the last people are even breaking even. I mean, when we are going to the all-time high, every single address, every single UTXO, everyone who bought Bitcoin and held it is in a profit at that point of time. For the short term, this means these people, they have to be punished. This money has to be shaken out. Well, look at this. After this blow off top in January 2017, Bitcoin went down 35%. This is completely normal for a Bitcoin bull market, 35% retracements. But look at this, Bitcoin is now remotely close here to the previous all-time high. And what I want to tell you here is there's an imminent danger that this red massive liquidation candle is about to come. And I would say a 20-30% retracement is completely normal. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price went up and got exactly rejected at the price target I was mentioning earlier. We are getting right now this retracement. And if I were to go down here to the daily candles and I make a measured move, we also are getting here very close to the 20-30% retracement I was mentioning earlier. But look at this. This is only 16.5%. So we are not even at the 20% yet. So the question, of course, is, are we going to reach at least the 20% retracement, or are we even going to go lower? And what are these price targets? This is what I want to be talking about right now. So for this specific purpose here, I am going over to these 4-hourly candles, and I want to pull out a Fibonacci retracement tool I was actually mentioning already in the video yesterday, before, even in the last few days here. And if I am pulling that out from the swing low to the swing high, then you can see that we already knocked out the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level I was mentioning earlier. I have a hard time believing that that's already it. I think that we are going to go lower. And the next price target here, according to the Fibonacci retracement levels, would be the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level at $15,800. In my opinion, a very realistic target, and in my opinion, a target which would be bringing us to a retracement percentage-wise of actually very close to 20%. But the worst case scenario, or at least a very bad case scenario, would be, in my opinion, actually, and historically Bitcoin always tends to repeat these specific retracement levels, would be the Fibonacci golden pocket. And as you can see, if I were to go down here, this is among the $13,300 to $13,500 levels. Seems like an apocalyptic scenario. I am also not saying we are with a 100% certainty reaching that level, but I want to tell you, please be prepared for this scenario to be at least a possible scenario, because once again, there is a significant amount of confluence coming in at these levels. If I were to zoom out here at this specific Bitstamp chart here, you can see here this orange box I was mentioning for the last few weeks, which was before significant psychological resistance, should now turn into support. It is marking the previous high in 2019, also at the levels of $13,300 to $13,500. And I want to pull out here once again this Fibonacci tool and show you the big amount of confluence actually coming in here. I'm going over to the weekly candles, and what you can see here is, if I am zooming in, that this Fibonacci golden pocket is in perfect confluence with this orange psychological resistance box, which should be now turning into psychological support. And also, guys, look at this orange line here. Do you know what magical line this orange line is? This is the 20-week moving average, and on Monday this will be approximately $500 higher. This will be approximately here in our Fibonacci golden ratio, in our Fibonacci golden pocket. So we will have three types of confluences coming together here. Once again, I am not telling you guys 100% we are going down there, but on the technicals, this is a reasonable target. And I want to tell you, usually also, this is a big caution sign here. Bitcoin tends to surprise everyone. And in history, we had these 30-40% retracements for Bitcoin, but sometimes we only retrace 20%, and this would be approximately among the $15,700 levels, and then Bitcoin already bounces and just leaves all the bears on the sidelines. This is why I'm telling you, we have to be prepared for both scenarios. I will be showing you in my trades how I am personally prepared for every single scenario to come, and how I'm personally prepared to profit from every single scenario here. I want to show that to you, but I am telling you, even this retracement wouldn't be out of the normal here for Bitcoin. This would be approximately a 30 to 33% retracement. In Bitcoin terms, still beyond laughable, and this is what we should be prepared for. But in the end of the day, not very surprising if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. We hit the high perfectly here at $19,400. Absolutely crazy if you're asking me. We are breaking the parabolic curve as we already said before here. Nothing which is going vertical can go vertical forever. And also we are actually exactly following the trajectory I was mentioning here 4 days ago in this viral video. But the question right now remains, Chris, what are you doing with your trades? How are you acting in this situation here trading wise? How do you want to profit from this situation? Well, I want to be talking about that because as you can see, this is my trade over on Bybit, $90,000 in profits. And you might say, well, Chris, this number is so much lower than before. Well, of course, because I was taking profits. You can see that right here in the Bybit wallet history. You can check that also for your own trades here. And in this wallet history, you can see I was taking profits right here at 14,800 and here perfectly at the top. As you can see, I already took 5 Bitcoin in profits over there, approximately $75,000 in profits. So of course I took approximately nearly half of the profits already here from this specific trade. And if you were to go over on my Phemex trade, this is my long-term trade, $168,000 in profit. Here I'm not going to take profits because this is a very long-term trade. Let's make this one legendary. But I have a short-term trade over on Phemex, as you can see here, and this one still has $23,000 in profits. But this is the most important part. I already took $72,000 in profits over on this specific trade because I was expecting this retracement here, and I was taking profits exactly at the $19,400 levels here on this Phemex trade. Of course, I want to be telling you where I'm going to put in my next trade. How will I profit from this situation, because we can profit from volatile times, whether it is going up or whether it is going down. I want to be talking about that. Before, I want to remind you, if you are standing on the sidelines right now, please be very cautious. But if you want to get ready for your next trade here, and if you are an experienced trader, very important, go down to the pinned comment and you will find a $1,290 free bonus link. This one is for limited time, and if you click our Bybit and Phemex link, I am trading on both of these platforms here, and you create your own account within a few seconds, you can get, after hitting the deposit requirements here on Bybit and those on Phemex, over a $1,290 completely for free as bonus for your next trade, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well. $1,300 at the 30x leverage would be $39,000 trade completely for free, from which you can withdraw the profits as well. So make sure, if you are an experienced trader, take advantage of that in the pinned comment down below. Everyone watching right now is eligible for that if you are experienced. But now the question of course remains, Chris, where are you going to put your next trade? How are you going to profit from this situation? Well, of course, I want to be cautious here. I want to be very cautious, and you know, guys, I have no problem to stand on the sidelines for a week or two. I want to be putting in my next trade once the charts are telling me, Chris, it is time. And this could be among the golden pocket levels here of 13,500. If we are not hitting it, I am fine. I'm still having other trades where I'm going to profit from a premature bounce of Bitcoin. But of course, when I'm seeing this amount of confluence coming together and the Bitcoin price having a significant bounce here at the 21-week EMA, this might be the moment where I'm going to scale in, because historically, we have to go back down. Historically, Bitcoin is, and this is a certainty, sooner or later is going down to the 20-week EMA. As you can see here, every single time we are perfectly hitting it, and I am expecting something similar like this to happen again. Of course, if it's not going to happen, this is fine for me, because I am also ready to put in some short-term trades in case Bitcoin is forming a new pattern here. I will be keeping you updated. This is the reason why you are scrolling down. You are not only pressing the like button on this video, no guys, you are also pressing the subscription button down below. You are pressing the bell and then on all to get notified when I am releasing this next time-sensitive video for you. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial if you haven't watched it already, right there. And as always, guys, bye-bye.